is Joachim Musiem. I'm a student of Samsung Innovation Campus in Eastlands College of Technology. What motivated me to doing this course, I used to see my friends doing projects in programming and coding, and I developed the interest. So when I heard of Samsung Innovation Campus, I thought it was a perfect idea joining the course.
What motivates me to do this course is that I love computers since I was a child, and I started my first programming since at the age of 11.
I got the inspiration to start computer coding and programming from my background. I've always loved computers, I've always loved programming, and always curious at what goes on behind the apps.
So today we are going to learn about Python.
My names are Ancent Mbithi, lead trainer in Samsung Innovation Campus at Eastlands College of Technology. We aim at equipping the youth with technological skills, especially in AI. The main objective of this program is to train the youth on the use of AI, which we use in our day-to-day activities.
So we are currently learning programming and coding, and we'll also be learning artificial intelligence and data science.
We aim to equip the youth with technological skills that will help them in fourth industrial revolution. You will be trained on coding and programming, and specifically in this module you will be trained on Python, which will be the backbone of this program and the other modules to come. We will advance to artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence by machines or computer systems. We will further advance to Internet of Things. A good example of Internet of Things is the smart homes that we've heard of, and smart gates or automated gates. We will advance to big data. Big data is the dealing with big data sets which cannot be analyzed using the traditional methods of analyzing data. You will also be trained on cloud computing. In cloud computing, you'll be trained on different cloud computing technologies. You will be trained on soft skills, and at the tail end, you'll be trained on job preparation skills. This will equip you with the capacity to hunt for jobs, either through freelancing or self-employment.
When I finish this course, I intend to do freelancing jobs on the internet so as to generate income and also solve real-world problems.
And in the future, the career I want to pursue is software engineering because I have the passion.
After this, I would like to specialize in data science and machine learning, as it is where my interests lie.
To apply for this program, you can visit our website at www.ect.ac.ke.